and then you had a narrow gauge, which was O gauge. And this was, I believe this was 2 5/8.
I thought it was large-scale trains.
Well, these were at one time called wide gauge, and now when you talk a large scale, you're talking like the G gauge or the Garden Railway size. You know, these are. Anytime you see the books that they show you all the different gauges, this kind of gets overlooked all the time. Want to stop it? Get a better picture?
Are you taking a video or a picture?
A video. Oh, okay.
Okay. So, and what's that? Some kind of trolley?
Yep. When Lionel first started making them, they modeled all their trolleys after New York City trolleys. So that would have been an above-ground trolley. And then their early trains were always like the electric-style locomotives. That would have been subway. You know, that's the same reason they started out with 3-rail tracks. Because, you know, the subways were all 3-rail. And they had a lot of their accessories were all buildings that were around New York City. Like there's still the train bridge going in out of Manhattan over Hellgate, the Hellgate Bridge. They made the Hellgate Bridge for these. That was a power company around New York City. All the lamp posts they made were modeled after city lamp posts.
I have a G-gauge Thomas the Tank Engine set.
Yeah. It's about the same size as this. They just don't have 2 rails.
All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Got it. Comes the other one.
Take a nice picture.
Yeah. Here comes another one, your way. Here comes 2 your way. Comes 1 more your way. Now, here comes another one. Right here.
I think I'm gonna pull mine off.
By the way, you have to get a titanium ring. Because if you already know, like, wow, he goes, it's yours one, you can do this. And he grabs a beer and he just pops it open the boozer. You know? I was like, all right.
You notice that my wife wanted me.
Oh, here's another train. Amtrak. Yeah, it's a passenger train.
You'll be fine.
3 freight and a passenger.
So we had a double ring ceremony. You know, by the time we were done with our honeymoon, I had pretty much forgotten it was there. Yep. 3rd day back on the job, I was climbing out of the cab of the truck and I caught it on something and cut my finger right to the bone. Destroyed the ring. Yeah. I brought it home and I laid it on the table and I said,
Ready? Now. Good.
Really into
Z Conrail.
Conrail, cool.
But I think this one is a
Yeah.
SD40
You were good.
or something like that.
So glad to see you.
Did you see that? The
Yeah,
door.
that
That
is
the
cool.
door
It
opens.
actually opens, yeah, it's cool.
What railway is it?
Delaware and Hudson,
I want to see if these.
they probably don't.
No.
That's a
Not
cool
sure if that
camera.
opens or not.
Yeah. That's a
That-
cool camera. Now, is that a Canon?
Uh-huh.
Now, he's a dispatcher, which is good. Don't want him on the trains anymore. It's just... That's what I did.
Don't want to break them.
No, no, no. That's pretty cool. Oh my, that's a Gulf gas tank one. That is cool.
It's a big car.
Yes, it is.
So you're a photographer?
Train photographer, yes,
for him.
very into trains.
This
He's
stuff.
got a YouTube channel, the Renault Reed channel.
That's pre-war. It's like from the 1930s.
So way before us.
Way before me.
Yeah.